Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
कोविडाच्या वाशिनान दुयेंती सोंपलो म्हूण बोवाळ. ती खंय लोकांनी उठयल्ली वावडी. खात्री करूंक जीएमसीन इन कॅमेरा पोस्टमॉर्टम केलो.
He had multiple co-morbidities like diabetes, and he was a case of chronic renal failure. So his kidneys were not functioning. And he was explained, his relatives were explained about the vaccine. And vaccine was given with the full care or full AAFI cover. And when he was brought to hospital, he started desaturating and finally got into cardiac arrest. Now when such a death occurs within 24 hours, there are guidelines for postmortem. This patient was, this dead body was referred to nearest Goa Medical College, that is Goa the GMC. Here we did a postmortem by team of doctors. It was called as a pathological postmortem, and the postmortem was done with video camera so that nothing is hidden. Now in this postmortem, whatever findings we found, we cannot correlate Covishield as the cause of his death. We are still not given cause of death. It is because we have to send his secretions, his body fluids, organ for testing whether they have really gone side effects of the Covishield. So there is simply people are saying that he died of Covishield. He has died of his comorbidity.
मजगती जीएमसीत यशस्वी ऑर्गन हार्वेस्टिंग झाले.
Now this is one more patient who came to GMC, 62-year-old female patient. She had an aneurysm in the brain which ruptured. The rupture जातकच she went into coma and then immediately within 2 days she went into brain death. तांची फॅमिली इतली बरी लोक की तांच्यांनी तांची त्या पेशंटाची डॉटर केम फॉरवर्ड फॉर ऑर्गन डोनेशन. Finally we could harvest the organs. So from this we got 2 kidneys for a Goan patients. And 2 Goan patients have benefited from this. The liver was given to Ahmedabad as per the NOTO criteria.
जीएमसीत इंटर्नशिप वाडयल्या ती खंय कोविडाक लागून.
During this COVID, there was no ophthalmic ward only. Ophthalmic ward was reduced to 5 beds or 10 beds. There was no ENT ward. There was no dermatology ward. How they can claim that they were trained properly? So, in view of this, it was discussed in a college council with all HODs. And all HODs felt that we should extend this by 2.5 months as per the guidelines of NMC. And it is not free. We were giving them that stipend also.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.